Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Rest Assured series. In this video, we are going to see how to test a particular endpoint with different environments. Normally, right, in real time world, we'll have different environments like QA or a development prod environment, UAT environment. So right, I'm working in a company where we use to test in three environments. First is system test, then UAT, then also we do testing in the prod environment. Okay, so if how to test, how to add scripts so that we can test in different environment, what is the easiest way to do it? So that is what we see you are going to see in this particular tutorial. Okay, let me first create a property file. This you all know, but just sort of like explaining you. Okay, properties. Okay, let me add a folder in SRC test Java properties. Then I'll add a file. Okay, config dot properties. Okay, so I've added a file. Okay, let me add qa dot base URI equal to, then for example prod. Okay, prod dot base URI. Okay, so let me add two URIs. Okay, then what I'm going to do is now, then I'm going to copy the base URI from the previous code. Okay, let me copy it. So in my case, both the URIs are same, but in real time world, there might be a small difference, right? So, but in my case, both the base URI is same, but in real time there might be different URIs for base URL and the right prod development. There might be added dot UAT or dot prod, something like might be added. So you can keep the different URLs in the separate file, and then you can add I'm adding going to add a separate class, right? Multiple environments. Okay, I'm just going to add this code in this in the class. I'm going to add. Then I'm going to add the main method public static void main. I'm going to add it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use properties prop equal to new properties. Okay, I'm going to import the package java tool package. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I need to read from the config dot property. For that, we in java we use input stream. Okay, input stream, I'm just using input stream. Okay, space input. Okay, sorry, let me. Okay, then I'll keep the cursor. Okay, let me add this one. Okay, then I'll import the package. One minute, just let me finish it. New file input stream. Okay, let me add this file input stream into my code, so that it reads the config dot property. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to give the path of the config dot property. I need to right click on config dot properties, click go to properties and copy the qualified name. Copy qualified name, then I need to give double quotes, then I need to paste there, and I'll remove the project alone. Rest I'll keep it. Okay, so now let me need to import the right package now. Okay, 1 minute. Input stream java io and file input stream. Okay, so let me add stream. Yes, 1 minute. Okay, the Java IO package I did. Okay. Now what I did is, right, I created one reference prop. Through that, I'm going to get the property from the config.property. Then I use file input stream for right, reading from the config.property. Okay. Now what I need to do is, right, we need to load that, right, prop dot prop load. Okay, what we need to do, we need to load the input. Okay, now the property, the input stream config.property is loaded and it kept. Okay, let me add the exception, IO exception. Okay, now what we need to do is, right, we need to set the base URI. Okay, base URI equal to, okay, prop dot, we need to use one method called as get property. Okay, then we need to give the variable name which we gave the anyone, whatever, which environment you want to test it, you can give here. Okay, let me add qa base URI. Okay, then I'll put semicolon and it returns string. Okay, now string base URI equal to prop dot get property qa dot base URI. Now let's write the normal code. Okay, before that, let me add the import. Okay, I'll copy the static import. I'll go now to multiple environment, then I'll paste here. Okay, now I'll give given dot. Okay, sorry, given dot we should give. Okay, then we need to set the base URI. We need to copy this reference and paste it. Already it's pasted, so we need to put the base URI. Okay, now let me add the when, and I'll put the get method. Okay, let me add the resource here. Okay, so resource, I'll go to the previous code and I'll copy the resource. Okay, then, okay, dot status code 200, then we log the response also, log dot all. Okay, let me get semicolon. Now let me run the code. So it's executed, right, it got all the response. Suppose, right, I need to run the prod URL, right, I'll just copy this one, go to the code, just change it. Okay, let me run this. So it will run through prod base URI. So whatever environment you want, you can execute it. Okay, so we can add switch case also to do that, right? If case 1 run q environment, case 2 run dev environment, or case 3 run prod environment, like that also we can set it. Okay, so right, this is how we can add right, properties right, into our script, into our framework, and we can run with different right URIs. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.